myself. Take me right back to the start.
Hi guys, I wanted to make a video behind the back door here, backyard, church, behind the church, about organizational format. Because in modern golf they tell you to rotate, and my question would be in relationship to what? So the body is really simple in this regard. And for example, we had sunny day today, around 20 degrees Celsius. This is basically July temperatures in May. The sun is up, it's blue sky still, there is no wind basically, so wonderful evening. So I just wanted to do this. And you know that I talk about momentum. Momentum means that we go up and drop a weight into the left heel. And if you do that, that momentum is a vertical drop. Now, you can do this, stand straight up and drop your weight like that without even trying. Now in modern golf they start to interfere with that kind of motor pattern by telling you you need to drop your weight 5.3 centimeters. Now you start to figuring out how much is that. Kind of difficult. And that's what Sean Foley, David Leber, Monty Schoenbloh, Mighty Golf, you know, Mark Crossfield and other teaches people out there. And it makes it difficult. So this is about organization. And the body and the brain works by balance and pressure. So if someone would push me, I would immediately push back to maintain some kind of balance. And if someone tells me, well, you're supposed to push back with 1.3 centimeter of force, and you go, okay, how much is that? You need to pay attention to the force pushing you, and you can balance it out really easy. But that's what's been going wrong in golf, is that instead of teaching you, okay, I'm just going to go up, drop my weight, just hit my pitch shot, smooth, easy 20-yard shot, right? And when you look down, you should see a toe probe pivot. That means you hit the fucking ball first, then the ground, and make that nice pivot. And after a while you will see this kind of shaved ground when you have divots and making divots. This teaches you the basic fundamentals, because if you use momentum and drop your weight, that's what you're supposed to do in the golf swing. And if you can't do that, you need to learn that. So do this until you feel like, yeah, I'm gonna do this until I feel like I can just repeat it. Find out where the ball is placement, you know, all that stuff. Just learn to find a moment where you can feel like when you can release your hands and arms in relationship to dropping your weight into the left heel. So it's not difficult, but this is about organization. So if you organize around this kind of stuff, after a while you can just go, oh yeah, okay. That doesn't seem too difficult to do. Okay. But if you organize around the rotation, now you're in trouble. And the modern golf teachers, they don't understand that. Because they tell okay, and your brain goes, okay, I'm supposed to rotate now. And you will start pulling it left. And since you feel that, you will start to try to compensate that. Instead of just go, okay, all I need to do is understand I need to lift up and then hit my pitch shot. Okay, doesn't seem too difficult. You probably could hit 3 or 4 balls on the same line without even trying. It's that easy or simple. Now a lot of people don't do this drill because they feel, well, I don't need to do it because I can already hit a golf ball. But when I made my pitching video for Kenneth, he looked at it and he improved his swing. So even when he is pretty good, you know, golf swing and all that stuff, and whatever people think about him, when he watched that video, he was like, oh yeah, that seems easier. So it makes it easier to organize how your brain is supposed to do the motion. Otherwise you will be preoccupied than people do in normal, you know, when they're teaching, well, I'm supposed to do this rotational stuff, yeah, okay, and then I'm supposed to do this other thing, and then I go, and that's too difficult. because your brain is now interfering with this simple action. You can just do that. But if people start telling you how to do it, you can't do it because it becomes too difficult. So this is one of the things I do when I go practice. You know, just wait for my body to drop my weight and just time that with my release. And you can start playing with that pattern to improve your contact. And I mean, if someone can watch this, you know, and probably become, you know, really accurate with the pitching, I think I succeeded in that really.
Remembering myself. Take me right back to the start.